Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get PlayStation 2 Emulator for iPhone. So it's PCSX2 is what it's called. So as you can see, I can play all the games. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you have to do is go to your browser and just go to this new site. It's called tweakmod.com. So let me just put it in. So now that I'm on the site, I'm going to type PCSX2 and then I'm going to go ahead and press install. And it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, we are going to have to do a verification. So all we got to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to load, as you can see. So it's almost done, guys. We'll just see what happens. So yeah, let's see what we get, guys. So as you can see, it is loading right here. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, we'll see. All right. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just need to download like 2 of these apps. So you can see like TikTok, down to run for 30 seconds. Then we got, Family Island, reach level 11. So yeah, I could do that. What is this? True Finance. You gotta search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys. You'll have the mod on your device. And that's how I get PCSX2, and you can play all your favorite old games. This is super insane, guys. It actually works. So this is super cool. So yeah, it's so cool. So yeah. So yeah, this is so cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But there you go, guys. You can actually run the games. It's not for poor people. It's for rich people. Because rich in thinking, thinking that you can actually get this. Because poor people are like, no, there's no way I can do it. But rich in thinking, guys.